The analytics section itself is imperative for the website because it acts as a heart rate monitor for your page. And the reason why I say that is you're actually going to see fluctuations in graphs showing you how often people are coming. You're going to be able to monitor traffic, how long they're staying on the site, how many pages they go to, and what pages are the most successful for your website. So it's really, really important to have this set up because it allows you to get a good baseline on if the site is successful, if you're seeing people going to it, if you're getting eyes on it. Once you've clicked this button, you sign up with Google. It's 3 easy steps. If you do get stuck, take advantage, again, of the help button in the upper right-hand corner, and we can get you set up and helped out. But once you're done enabling Google Analytics, this page will disappear, and you'll actually get this page, which is called the dashboard. And this is where all of the Google Analytics data is transferred over from Google to your site, so you don't have to have 10 different tabs open to track data. In this case, if you look at it, we've had 326 visitors to this site. We've had an average of 5.59 pages per view, as well as an average time of 7 minutes. When you do set this up, it will be a completely blank slate, and those numbers you'll start to see go up tremendously as the site ages and SEO starts kicking in and you start creating content. It'll show you your leads in the last 30 days as well as the top pages. So, a test page, for instance, is a 404 page, totally fine because we use it for tweaking and tuning things. But you can get an idea of where these people are coming from as well. 30 of them found this website organically through a Google search, which is awesome, and that's the best lead you can get. That's the best view you can get. So trying to focus on organic SEO content is important, and we give you the tools to do that as well.